Hi everybody, I'm Mr. Phua. Alright, today I'm gonna teach you how you can solve problem sum using guess and check. Question 1. There are 50 motorcycles and cars parked in a car park. If there are 174 wheels altogether, how many cars are there? Okay, now let's look at the info again. Alright, and understand how we can solve this together. The first piece of info, 50 motorcycle and cars, state a relationship that there are altogether 50 motorcycle and cars together. Alright, they never say there are 50 motorcycle. Number 2, this 50 motorcycle and car give you 174 wheels altogether. And lastly, the question is only interested in cars and they are not interested with the motorcycle. Alright, now let's see how we can do this by understanding the background knowledge of how many wheels does a motorcycle have. One, two. And how many wheels does a car have? 4. 2 on one side, 1, 2, and the other side, 3 and 4. Alright, now to solve this, I'm going to draw 5 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In these 5 columns, alright, I'm going to put down here motorcycle. And the wheels. We have to make assumption here, alright, as to how many motorcycle and cars are there. And the last column, I'm going to put it as total. Alright, now I'm going to break this 50 into 2 parts. For example, 25 motorcycle, and when I have 25 motorcycle, I need to have 25 cars. Okay, let's try. Okay, 25 motorcycle, each motorcycle has 2, so I have a total of 50 wheels. And if I have 25 cars, each car has 4 wheels. I'll have 25 times 4, I'll have 100 wheels. And the total number of wheels is 100 plus the 50 here, I have 150 wheels. Okay, now the difference between 174 and 150 are relatively big. So I'm going to jump. Okay, so which one do you think first we should increase? The number of cars or the number of motorcycle? Do you guess the correct answer? The answer is I must increase the number of cars. So now, instead of 25, I'm going to assume it is 30 cars. And when I have 30 cars, children, how many motorcycles do I have? You're right, 20 motorcycle. 20 plus 30 do give me 50 motorcycle and cars. Okay, now if I make this assumption, let us see how many wheels does a motorcycle have all together with this assumption. 20. Each motorcycle has 2 wheels, 20 times 2, 40 wheels. Don't panic from 50 to 40 yet, because you must remember they have to add it up. Alright, with 30 cars, each car has 4 wheels. So I have 30 times 4, 120 wheels. A total of 160 wheels altogether. Okay, now 160 and 174, we still have a lot of wheels to go out. Okay, now are we going to increase the car or the motorcycle now? The answer is, alright, same. We're going to increase the number of cars. Assume, let's try 35 cars now. And my motorcycle will be 15. 15 times 2, 30 wheels here. And 35 times 4 is 140. And this assumption gives us a total of 170 wheels altogether. Ah, Mr. Phua, the difference between 170 and 174 is very small. Do I increase big number or small number this time? Yeah, right. I'm going to increase it by small number. Let's assume I'm going to increase it by 1. If I have 36 cars, I will have 14 motorcycle. 14 times 2, 28. Alright, 36 times 4. Alright, I'm gonna have 144. That's a total of 172. Wow, I'm so close now. So do you know what is going to be next? I have to increase the cars to 37. Hopefully this is the right one. Alright, but let's try. Alright, and with that, the motorcycle, if I have 37 cars here, I have 13 motorcycle. 13 motorcycle comes 26 wheels. And with 37 cars, I will have 148. And the total is 174 wheels. Hooray, I got the answer. Now, bear in mind, alright, they are interested with the number of cars. So my answer will be 37. Alright, remember to write your English statement to conclude the answer. There are 37 cars. Are you ready for the next question? I sure do. Alright, now I'm going to change this question slightly, alright, to this. Alright, this time the relationship is I have 15 more motorcycles than cars. So if I have one motorcycle, I will have 15 more cars. Sorry, if I have one cars, I will have 15 more motorcycle. It's not 15, 16. I need to have 1 plus 15. Alright, now same thing, there are 174 wheels altogether. The question is still interested with the number of cars, not the number of motorcycle. Then you must remember, what do we do first? Okay, same thing, the motorcycle still has 2 wheels here, and the cars, we still have 4 wheels. Alright, so now same thing, we draw the 5 column first. Let's label this together. We have the motorcycles, wheels, and we have the cars, the wheels, and lastly, the total. Alright, I'm not going to try one car first. I'm going to try a bigger number. Alright, let's try 20. Okay, if there are 20 cars, they should have 35 motorcycles. Okay, so now let's try our luck first. Okay, sometimes we can get it at the first shot somehow. Alright, if I have 20 cars, I'm going to have 20 times 4, 80 wheels. If I have 35 motorcycles, I will have 35 times 2, 70 wheels. I have a total of 150 wheels. Alright, now that's still not enough, but it tells us a number that's very close to here. Okay, Mr. Phua, how do we do this? Now let's increase it to 30. See whether the number got caught between 20 and 30 cars. Alright, then 35, so 30 plus 15 more motorcycle, I will have 45 motorcycle. See the relationship? Alright, I follow line number 1. There are 15 more motorcycle than cars. I follow it closely. Alright, let us see the result. 30 times 4, 120 wheels. And 45 times 2, 90. Okay. Mr. Phua, I have too much. I have a total of 210 wheels. All right, which is too big already. So what is between 20 and 30 cars? Let us assume 25. All right, let's try 25. 25 cars, that means I have a total of 40 motorcycle. Now with this assumption, let's find out how many wheels does a car have. 25 cars will have 100 wheels. 40 motorcycle times 2, I will have 80, a total of 180 wheels. Okay, it's getting close now. Okay, so what do I do? Do I increase the motorcycle or do I increase the number of cars? Okay, yes, you are right. We increase the number of motorcycle but decrease the number of cars. In this case, I'm going to jump a little bit from 25. I'm not going to jump 24. I'm just going to try 23. Okay, with 23 cars, I will have 48 motorcycle. All right, one more time. How do I get this? I have to plus 15. Oops, I got it wrong. It should be 38. Sorry. So it's good to always check your work. All right, 23 times 4. I'll have 92 wheels here. And at the same time, 38 times 4. No, do I do 38 times 4? No, I should 2 because each motorcycle has 2 wheels. So I should have 76 wheels. Now I have a total of 76 plus 92. I have a total of 168. All right. Oh, Mr. Paul, then what should I do now? Okay, I'm in between here. And what is the number that is in between 23 and 25, children? Yes. Okay, let's try 24. Then, if I have 24, I will have 39 cars. Okay, so with 39, I have 78 wheels. And with 24, I have 96. Okay, so I'm not very lucky today, but I think I got the answer, 174 wheels. All right, so what do we have now? All right, we are interested in the number of cars, which is in this case 24 cars. So remember to write your English statement. There are 24 cars. All right, children, that's it for today. Hope that you have a nice time doing your workbook. All right, and most important, good luck to you.